Welcome back. Well, as I said earlier, we have the Florence Sylvester Senior Center on, and they always have a ton of activities. So ladies, welcome again.
Thank you.
I swear you guys come every 2 weeks and you always have something going on. So that's exciting. And you're going to start with some of the medical things, and we just had Kaiser on.
Yes,
and
that's perfect.
That perfect timing for your flu stuff.
Yes, and you know, we are having our it's a health fair and flu clinic. And it's on Thursday the 24th at 1 o'clock. It starts, and we have a lot of, she talked about the flu shot, so I won't talk about that, but we have a lot of neat vendors coming.
Oh, okay.
Neat. Am I in the 60s or what? so we have a little off the wall. We have Laguna Hills Health and Wellness Alternative. We have a salt company coming.
Oh, what are they going to do?
Well, it's about salt therapy. This is what I'm going to find out.
Oh.
She was explaining to me. I said, no, you need to come to the fair and you're going to show us everything.
Oh, I like that.
A beamer, at the beamer therapy.
Okay.
And there was someone else. It'll come back to me in a minute. That's ages in there right now.
Okay. Now wait,
Anyway,
so this is on October 24th.
Yes.
And you can get the flu shot. Is it a free flu shot?
Yeah, it's free. We get our vaccine from the county.
Oh, okay.
The health fair, or the public health department.
Okay.
So everything is no cost. And it's very easy. You don't have to fill out forms or anything like that. You just have to sign your name and in you go.
Okay, perfect. And that's also being done between the hours of 1 and 4? There's no specific time frame? Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
Perfect. All right, what else do you have?
Well, we have another one coming up here. The pitfalls of locked hearing aids. Now, what is that?
I don't know.
All right, well, you're going to have to come on Tuesday, October 22nd.
Well, there you go. I'll just jet out of work and come on over.
I think they're talking about the different hearing aid brands that, let's say, Costco has, or Beltone, New Ear. So you're going to hear about the pitfalls, the good and the bad and the ugly.
Oh, that's a great one.
Yeah,
okay.
so
Excellent.
hearing aids, they're expensive, so you want to make sure you go to the right place to get them.
Right, and we have plenty of those around here.
Absolutely, we've got the place. And Dr. J is in. We have Dr. Dawson coming. He's more holistic. Yeah, so he's talking about healthy bones, a healthy you, and a natural solution to osteoporosis.
You know, I just had a bone density test the other day, and so they tell you to have that done because you can actually make up a lot of your calcium with food.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, and walking, like
exercise,
pounding away on the pavement. And that's on the 29th at 1 o'clock.
Okay, good.
So all you have to do is come down to our senior center and sign up on our sign-up sheet, or just call in and we'll put your name on it.
Oh, good. Absolutely. Okay, good.
Yeah,
good. Well, that's wonderful. You have lots of great things for people. I mean, education is key, and you guys always have lots of good education things.
Yes.
So thank you.
You're
Excellent.
welcome.
All right, what else do you have?
Oh, I get the fun part.
You get the fun stuff.
I get to
well,
talk
that doesn't say this isn't fun.
No, it is fun. And we want to focus on the educational part of it, but I get to focus on the fun part.
Okay.
So our next activity, our big party, will be Oktoberfest.
Excellent.
So we are serving non-alcoholic beer, but we also have the Gypsy Folk Ensemble coming in to dance. And of course, we'll have a meal. I think there's apple crisp. I'm always down with the apple crisp. So, and then bratwurst, and then the German potato salad. So it's a great meal.
And you want them dressed.
Yeah,
in their dirndls and lederhosen.
Yes, and
most
a lot of them do. Believe it or not, they have it and they show up. So hey, we're all about having a good time.
And what day is that?
That one is. It's Friday, October 18th.
Oh, October 18th.
From 11:30 to 12:30, and it's always good to give us a call, let us know you're coming, so we will have enough food.
Yeah, that sounds great.
And then I get to do Tony Rogers. I know there's a lot of seniors out there that know about Tony Rogers, but he is such a fun time. He's always getting the seniors up in front and interacting and doing fun things. We even have to do the electric slide at least once. Good. We get all the seniors up there and the staff, and we embarrass ourselves, and we just have a great time. So come on Tuesday, October 22nd, again at 11:30 to 12:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And then lastly, it's Halloween. So we will have our Halloween parade again. The staff gets involved. We're currently planning our costumes for that day. So
good. Got to start early.
Yeah. So come on down. please make sure you have your Halloween costume on. We do a parade, and we do give away 2 prizes to the best costume.
So definitely go all out.
Again, I could go on all day long about the fun things we do there, but those are just some of the topics.
Those are great.
So come down.
Those are good things. And you guys always, like I said, you always have so many things going on.
Yes.
And this is a really key thing for them to be able to get their flu shots and lots of other things for free. So thank you for doing all that you guys do. It's always wonderful.
Yes.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you for being on. And remember that the event for Oktoberfest is the 18th, and it's the one that stuck out in my mind because we've been talking about it for days. So have fun at all the senior center events. We'll be right back. We've been talking about Oktoberfest, my girlfriend.